Hello and Assalamualaikum. This video is about the answer for tutorial 1. Question 3b. But before that, I'm going to show how to decide if this GT AX1T plus BX2T is periodic table or not. So first is we have to differentiate which one is T1 and T2. So here we go. We have seen this T1 and T2. So if we want to know if GT is periodic table, we have to see this periodic signal if T1 over T2 is equal to M over N, and we will get rational number. So if we found it that it is a periodic signal, so we can just get the periodic period of GT, which is the formula is NT1 equal to MT2. If we can see, it's the same as the periodic signal for the formula T1 over T2 equal to M over N. So just multiply here and multiply here. So we got the fundamental period of GT. And lastly, we have to GCD MN equal to 1. That is the final answer for it. So now move on to example, so we can apply in our question. Before that, I'm going to show a bit of example. So GT, this is an example for GT, 3 sine 4 pi t plus 7 cos 3 pi t. Okay, which one is T1 and T2? As we can see, omega, which is equal to 4 pi, and omega 2 is equal to 3 pi. So omega is equal to 2 pi over T1 and equal to 4 pi. And then we will get T1, which is 1 over 2. And then same as the omega 2, we will equal it with the T2. And then we will get T2 equal to 2 over 3. And then, so after that, we have to T1 over T2 equal to 1 over 2 divided by 2 over 3, and we will get 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 is equal to M over N, which is rational number. So this means that this is a periodic signal. So it's already proven. So now we're just gonna use the GCD and then substitute it 3, 4 close bracket and then equal to 1. So therefore, this is the fundamental. NT1 is equal to 2, MT2 is equal to 2. So it's the same. So it's proven. So now we can resume on our original question, which is question 3b, which is GT is equal to 14 plus 4t cos 60 pi t. So we are going to do it one by one. As you can see, our W1 is 0. W2 is equal to 60 pi. So 60 pi, so 2 pi over T2 is equal to 60 pi. And then we will get T2 equal to 1 over 30. So our T1 is 0. So we have to T1 over T2 equal to 0 divided by 130, which is, we know we will get 0. So is this rational number? No, not rational number. So that's why this is GT is not periodic signal. Done. So this is our answer. Thank you for watching.